Please stand by. You will into conference.
Yeah, joining after some time.
Yeah. I was like uploaded will updated class files, Java class files. Yeah. Yeah, put stuff like how handling alerts, search pop-ups, pop-ups in Selenium. Okay, so I know that what is the alert? Okay, we say this is the site has all the type of alert you can say. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this is area. This is long. Okay, okay, it from that window. Okay, so this is window. And this is a alert. It says that it is a message and my name is welcome. This has some cross button as well as OK button. And once the alert is pop up, you cannot click anywhere in the back end of the application. It is a modal pop up. So if you agree, like click on OK or cancel, then only you can do other operation in your application. So that's the main thing. And one more thing, so that we cannot right click in the pop up. We cannot right click in the pop up. So if it is a we cannot right click. If it is a window, we can find the export. So for that, for us in Java, for us in Selenium, we cannot find the export. We cannot find anything about the model object. So for that reason, they created one API. Okay. So this is type of alert, and there will be a. So the difference is here. The first alert is only has a OK button, and there will be a second pop-up, and here it is the location of here definition. Okay. So if I see here, and you can see there are OK button and as well as cancel button. Okay. So why I'm like explaining in detail means based on that more presentation, which means they are alert model representation. Based on that, they made a API. Okay, they made API. You see, like one alert is only one OK button, another alert will have like confirmation OK and cancel button, and there will be a one more alert pop up. This is the one you can see. The alert has a text box. So this text box contains ID, but we cannot right click in the alert pop up. Sometimes the alert has a text box also. So how you handle? Okay. So this is the third type of alert. Okay. So mostly these are the type of alert you will see in a real time. So we are handling this alert. Okay. Please can you? I'm doing some background noise. Please keep it mute. API. So the alert in the API. Okay. So that is the interface. Alert is the interface. This interface has every browser is implemented, and this interface has the methods. These are the methods. First method. Okay. The first method is accept. The second method, I think this method I'll come back later. And the third method is display. And the fourth method is get text. So this is send key. So these are one accept method, display method, and get text and send key. These are the four methods, very, very important. Okay. So very simple. Suppose I want to click on OK button. So I show the method has a accept. So there is a alert. Okay, alert. There is a OK button. Okay. So you want to click on the OK button, means you should call her name is method accept. And that dismiss is like a cancel method. Sorry, button. You want to click on that cancel button. You want to cancel the button, use dismiss. And this is like, suppose we have like OK and cancel. We use the cancel. So this will be click. So there is a alert and there is a OK button. There will be some text here. There will be some text. Okay. So you get this text. You see that I will take point here. And yeah. So the alert button, and now you can see a mapping. So you want to pass method OK. So accept. And this is, you want to click on the cancel button. This need to be used. And to get this text. So there is get text method. Okay. And it has there is a text box. Okay. There is another part is there. But in this, I'm explaining in this model. And if it is a text box is available, then you need to use the send keys. That's it. And so these two methods, there are two methods we are not at all using. So authenticate using authentication credential and set the credentials. So, mostly your login authentication may be a pop-up. So the applications are like that, not the application. So when you open whenever you use your base URL, then you have the alert with authentication, username, password, and there is a OK button. So then that time directly use this authentication basic. Authenticate and a HTTP basic authentication dialog. Okay, so these tools are rarely used. It depends on your application, but other than four methods like OK button for accept, dismiss for cancel, get the text from the alert, and is insert the enter data into the here up to here. Optical.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
And another thing, yesterday we didn't complete that this keyword completely, right?
This keyword is not completed. Yes. Yeah. I will do that.
Okay.
This one like super answer. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And will be optical. Suppose will be create alert. Alert. Suppose I thought I'd be using this. Using Chrome driver. So driver is small driver, language is Chrome driver. And so I alert and there will be a driver dot get URL, and these are our example. It's our table. Okay, and page is loaded. Forwarding the page, what do you need to click the out. So click the alert. Click the alert page. So there's a element, small drive dot find it by dot. So let's check what is the object it has. Chrome, sorry, that. So click button. So this is the action we need to do here. So right hand here. Okay. We can here for our output, and I'm inspecting the data firebar. Now see right name I can use directly name. See, I click here in the turbo HTML here. There will be locator. Location you need to observe. This location you can observe. So here, you can observe there. If I click here name, there will be a letter in the application. Something like that. So I'm the name, and that is a B2, capital B2, and so what I will do, by the name within that it is a B2 for element, and just I will do operation. So at dot click. Insert first alert. Okay, my event name is first alert, and first dot click. So now just for this one, I want to create an object of this class. Alert example e equal to new alert example and e dot closure and e dot and let's see that Java application. Two point two nine, and it provide the URL, and you also click on this button. Not that. Yeah. So alert is pop up. So that alert is pop up or not. Okay. So the not equal to alert dot, there will be a switch to alert. The method, okay, so this will have or this pop-up or not. Okay, so the driver, we are telling, so we are expecting here after this click on this element, after clicking on this element on the page, the alert is pop-up. After this action, we know that alert is pop-up. So we are telling to the driver, here, so my alert. And on top of alert, once you put the alert, give a reference. Okay? So once the reference, and you can perform the handle accept. Handling it. Okay? So in between, I am making a thread dot sleep, because if it is run very fast, so it also that. Okay? Okay, no close section. Again, also you can do into section. Okay? Yes. Close that. Okay? Close it again. And I think one more is here after leaving the URL and minimizing my browser size. What is the drive dot head driver manage my to maximize. So now, and let's observe, make sure that please you observe that action. So Chrome is loading the URL, and it should measure the so top up and waiting. The thread is waiting. Alert is gone. So that is the one. So if I say here accept, then it clicks run. It will click on OK button. So in short, if I comment this one and if I do operation, if I alert dot dismiss. So dismiss for cancelling alert. So that window has can button that will do. But current alert does not have cancel. Current alert pop-up does not have cancel button. Just coming a negative way, what it will throw the section. Let's see that. So now here in this alert will cancel. That is in the it form. Or yes. One thing.
What happens if there is no alert actually?
Hmm?
If there is no alert, what will happen? Like we are expecting alert and there is no alert displayed. What will happen?
So it will throw the, suppose if you go to here, there will be a driver API and that what will happen here. Good question. So there is a frame, in the frame there is a web driver, and the web driver we will see this method on the switch to. So this is the base method switch to. If you go to the driver target and see that active element, and this is the alert. Okay, and see alert. Okay, just a second. Alert. Just a second. I will directly instead of this page, so what I will do is I will open a normal Google page. So normal page. Okay. So it is simple. You can see that. So as you said, I will not click on this 38th line. So I will not click on. Click on the alert pop-up button, which means alert will not be occur. Okay, and then though I'm finding this command, hey, look, is that pop-up in the application? It does not pop up. So we throw that exception. Throw the exception. Let's see that. We are maximizing and that we are not clicking the button. And there is exception. This exception we should handle. So no alert open. So exception in the thread name. Open case Selenium. No alert present exception. We don't have. We have alert. We should do that. Sometimes you will you will get an alert. Sometimes you will not get an alert based on your application also. So that time you write a separate function in a framework level, and it should be a boolean. Letter present. Okay, and you should handle try and catch. Handle try catch. So it will be discussed later on. Okay, and so you should you need to perform this alert checking and handle the this. Finally, your value will be false. This will be false. If alert is present, this will be true. This will be true. Alert is present. It's alert. and then we should hear the sequence. So if uh, this one is alert is true, okay, then this is a code to be handled and execution. Okay, so what actually will happen is, so we are in the test condition this method, and this method also fire this after that switch to alert, and initially it is a false. Whenever this is becomes, that means our the statement is executed, then becomes true. It is not executed means it will be exception. The throw the exception means this block will be executed. This block we are not making a B becomes true. B becomes false. Whenever statement is successfully executed, when it will execute, that is pop-up only. Okay? So when B is come true, the true means the first condition will be executed. Again, it will fire the object and do the accept. Okay? Yeah. So you can handle it. Or else you can, it is alert is not come. So else part. You would write a like a normal way. What is the action need to be performed? You have to write a normal execution. Execution, normal execution. Like that. Okay. So this is a framework level, a reusable method. Whether alert is present or not. Is the element present or not? These are presented or not in the application. Let's see revision again. Again, make this also. See that system.out.println. Just first we'll do the negative way. So not we have the alerts. Okay, I have the alert, and yes, none has the application. Next time we need to see the print statement is. So we have the exception. Because we catch the exception by doing try catch block. So we'll lift up that exception part in Java. Normal execution. So here it's not handling the separate way. So this is the way. Then your execution can be aborted, and you got some red color exception. No alert is present. But now this statement is executed. So which means method is internally executed, and it becomes B becomes a false. When B becomes false, and then else part will be executed. So I'm explicitly making as a true. Okay, that's all is presented with the execution. Yeah, I'll talk about that. Yeah, just that. Okay, yeah. So I will I'll be in a debug run. So here is like my method in execution. So I want to get into and let's see that. So here this line 32, I'm doing a breakpoint. Okay, and so now once I breakpoint, I should run in a debug mode. So only we are running run app, but I'll run a debug. So if I run the debug mode and if where I mark as a point, action will stop there. So that. Yes. So then from your perspective, switch to click on no, and you can see that this is the area. Maybe already I explained. Again, I am explaining. You see that this is line. The execution will stop. Here, from the breakpoint, you should see that this is a toolbar. You can enable, and based on toolbar, this is the like step 2, step over, I think step 2 and step return. Because the three buttons are very important while debugging. When pause, this is a stop and this is a stop, zoom and stop buttons. Very clear. Okay. And in method. So in this condition, there will be method. So I should give like step into, step over. Yes. Step into that. After 32 lines, and this is the method, is get called and it will enter into the method. This method. So initial B value is the execution meeting. And after try and see that application is already open as a alert. Okay. So this statement will check that a driver will switch to alert, identify the alert is open on the page or not. Step over. Okay. See that. Now successfully executed means alert is available. So step and what the B value now? B values we are making it true. Then step. So we are reading the what is the return type for B? True. So then inform to the value completely we got it true here. When we got it true, again we are performing for this of this result and making statement. Okay. After making split statement, it is 5 millisecond registered. Yeah, it is completed. Now we are performing in that alert state accept. Alert accept means click on step 1, then alert is closed. Okay. So this we can use in the debug program also. Look. So it is like accept one. Accept method. Next we will see that cancel and get text. There is a send it. Yes. So I have one more method. It's void modeling. Not public, I will not call it one. Okay. So first we'll write that. And till now, up to this same, there was an element of this. Okay. So simple same link, and I should change that object. So I will need to click this one. So if I click here, and it has the property the B3. Okay, B2, now it is a B3. Okay. Now, I have to click this here. which is the pop-up like two things. Okay, and cancel. So we do the cancel. Suppose if I do cancel, again you can see okay button. Okay, so that is step we have to perform. The thing is the alert, hey alert, alertance, and driver, hey driver, switch to alert.
You can use that method, right, directly?
Yeah, we can use it, but just individually I'm making a similar.
Yeah.
Then later on we can do that, no problem. Also I have to become a business. So once I become the business, again it will open to the too bad and prevent this page. Okay, prevent this page. Then there will be another dot accept because it is open. So your thing here is a cancel button. Click on cancel, and here is click on cancel button. Here is click on OK button. And step 2, handling to this method. I'm not executing demo method. Without products, normal application. I think maybe we haven't up to the dot sleep. Okay, the dot sleep. They haven't observed. Okay, I'm running again. Here. Got it. So now click on cancel and click on accept. So immediately this happens. And so there is one more thing. Public void and handling hard type. In this type, we will see that get similarly all are similar. So we will make here sleep up to sleep. Just what I will do is I will make alert get text. What text is presented in alert. So with that, this is her and get text. Get text. The return type. Return type is string. So that is a get text. So we should take this thing, variable, message, consign, system dot out dot enter, and message, message on the page, okay, and do alert. Storing the alert handling third one. Okay, the second one heading. Dot. Hello. See, you can see that. Handling the alert, just we are getting the stand up pop alert. We are retrieving or we are printing the, we are getting printing the console. That's it. Yeah. So what is the text? Are you sure? Are you sure you are okay? And that message is that. Are you sure you are okay with question mark? So the text is that print. This text. So see that. If I in the statement also you can see up to here, in that for understanding, we will know it is there, and this is the variable, and this variable, like whenever you perform this method, the text is stored in this variable, and we are putting the variable in the console system. And the last one, I think, will same method. And work. This time, we are getting the text as well as, and we should enter the text. So, test this one, and the fireball, this one, and this pop-up. Now, please enter your name. Okay, please enter your name. And this is the text we are requiring. And after we are sending the name, send key, and that next we are clicking the OK button. So this is we are doing now. This is the property is the B. Name is the B4. Just I will change to here at B4, and I click on. I'm waiting for the alert. Alert is presented, and I am printing the gets, and this and the please enter username will be printed, and after that alert dot send. Okay, alert dot send key, and is like Selenium. Okay, and again after that send key is done. Text enter text box on the pop-up. That's enter the data. Into the data into the text box on the alert. Okay. So now you should. I want to click accept. That is, click on OK. Yeah, that's it. Data, and then here and wait. Then we come to next. Yes. Check the browser. And please enter the username. And before that, we got a like this one is printed. Then, then firstly, done. Okay. Again, we need to perform click on OK. That I will show you. Okay, Okay. Right. Running again. So this username also you can see that. Again running. Please observe that alert text box will be filled by Selenium user. We observe now. Yeah. So okay. We vote like on that, and so we just again go through that before practicing. Should be this one alert. So alert here. So alert has reference variable. To the interface, it has the methods for methods. Access, display method, and get extents and repeat. To scale, see that is the navigation. Send it to you like whatever is the interface, and this driver has a switch to method. So switch method is like sending a future command to different frame window as well as alert. Okay, so there is a whatever, and there is a target locator is there. So if you go here, there is one more interface with the target locator. So this target locator method as the alert. Okay, so referring the alert reference has again interface. Okay, so this interface has the method of the handling the alerts. You should like we didn't cover, we haven't covered that interface, something like that. So we like super keyword only. Sorry, this keyword. After completion of this keyword, we'll talk on super. Then we'll go for action. In the OOPS concept, we have completed encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. And there will be one more concept, extraction. The action will come like a
Polymorphism. We complete polymorphism?
Yes, they have completed method overloading and method overriding. Then polymorphism and compile-time polymorphism.
Compile-time polymorphism.
Method. Yes. We have two types of polymorphism. Method overloading is a compile-time polymorphism. Method overriding is a run polymorphism. So the people will ask this way only. Instead of asking polymorphism, what is compile-time polymorphism? Some people will ask, right, what is the method overloading in Java? Method overloading in Java is equal to compile-time polymorphism. Overriding is equal to runtime polymorphism. Okay? Yeah. The abstraction is there. In abstraction, we can see that abstract class and interface. So then you come to know what is exactly is written in that API. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions up to here? So I'll wrap up here today. And I will see you tomorrow. Anyone?
Did it fill that text here? Actually, your screen is not refreshed properly for me.
The screen is not refreshed properly.
Actually, that last method, did it work?
Yeah, it will work. You can try that. You can try
Okay.
The same scenario, I will give this site, this site.
Yes, can you give me that?
Where I can.
It's in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.